Hi everyone, welcome to my video today. Today we're going to be talking about a free website builder called GrooveFunnels. What it is a page builder called GroovePages, GrooveSell, which you can actually set items to sell, and GrooveAffiliate, where you can resell other people's items, or you can resell GroovePages. Who might want this? It could be like for any reason. If you want to build a business website, maybe a school project, if you just want to learn about creating websites or e-commerce or sales funnels, or if you just want to screw around with a website, or any other reason you may think of. It's free. You sign up, you don't need a credit card. To sign up, there's a link in my description in the video below. Just click on the free GrooveFunnels. There's also a link to the lifetime deal, because currently there's a lifetime deal. You can sign up and never have to pay again. But here's the free link. It'll bring you up to their page to sign up. It'll ask for your name and email and a username, and that's it. No credit card, nothing. So what can this do? Let's see. So we go into GroovePages. Okay, so it's going to be asking you to upgrade, but you don't need to upgrade if you don't want to. You click on New Site here on the right, and we can start with the template. So we got all these different templates. Okay, so those are the premium templates, and then so you got a few templates you can use. So we can pick one, because you can still modify it to look like one of the premium ones if you spend some time. Okay, so let's try to change this a little bit. Alright, so let's try to get an element. And say we want to change the top here. We want to put just this up here. A logo. Okay, so we got a logo. If we want to change the logo, we can go into Image, Configure, choose an image. We can go into the free stock photos. What kind of logo do we want? How about a bird? And here's our new logo, this little guy. Click to add to photos. And we want to select this guy, update, and that's huge. Okay, so we can design it now. We want to make it a little smaller, so we can say expert mode. I find that easier for me. We want sizing and width, say by pixels, and then we got this little slider here. Make it bigger, smaller. And we just want a little bird. And so we want some text next to it. Go back to elements, and we want a header, move that over here. Okay, that's not going to work. What we need is 2 columns. What kind of columns? Maybe we want 3 columns. Let's say 3 columns. Put that there. Move the bird into, actually no, we need to select the bird, click on the arrows, move it into there. And then we want another element for heading. Put that guy into there. And we want to change our text. There we go. The bird page. And we don't want black. We want some nice color. So then we can pick sizings over here. Same thing. We can use this for sizing. Okay, nice. Okay. And we want to center that. Now we want left. And we want text. Here we go. Font, size, color. Here we go. Let's pick a blue color, dark blue. And now, say we don't want this section here. We got our bird section. So we can take this out. And who's this guy? We don't want this guy, so we want to go back to configure, choose an image, because we don't want this guy. We want to go to free stock photos. And now we want to pick what goes with birds. A cat. Alright, we need a tall cat. Here's a nice tall cat. Uploading. Might be a little bit too square for that section, but let's see. Alright, we got our cat. Let's select the cat. Update. It's not bad. Okay, click on our cat again. Design. Sizing. And there we go, make it a little bigger. Okay. And we don't know how to center the images, but we got a cat and we got a bird. We got a cat on the bird page. All right. And say we want to save it, say we want to check it out. Click on this little eyeball over here. And there's our page so far. Not the greatest, but hey, we're just going through it quick. It's a free website builder. Okay, now if we can get this bird to the right a little bit, it'll look better just by that. Oh, corners. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, make it a little bit roundish. This guy too. Let's make it a round picture. Super cool headline. Super cool headline. Headline. Birds and cats here. Let's say birds and cats. Everyone likes birds and cats. This is the place to be to see birds and cats. You'll see. Just stick around and take a tour. Enter your email here to make sure you don't miss the next hot bird or cat. Enter email, send it to me. Okay, so they want to send it. Actually, let's leave that and we'll say enter email here to get the greatest bird pamphlet ever. This whole pamphlet, right? Nope. Okay, we got some more pictures here, so we can add some more pictures. Configure. Let's add some more images. We want more birds. I like this guy. And let's just, oh no, we don't want that. We want to upload a couple more birds. This one's flying. And one more. How about an owl? Who? The owl. Who? An owl. Alright, so let's pick the owl first. Select. I didn't select it. Choose image. Owl. Select. And update. Next. Choose image. This guy. Select. Update. And boom. Next. Picture. Choose image. This guy with the blue feathers. And update. Feature 1. Beautiful white owls. Feature 2. Great birds in flight. Feature 3. Super colorful birds. Yes, I spelled it the Canadian way. Let's do it the other way. Ready to get started? Send it to me. Alright, let's save it. Saving. Still saving. Is it still saving? There it goes. Now we look up with the eyeball here. Alright, so we got the bird page, birds and cats. You can actually have a link on the picture to go somewhere. So if we go back to the page and say the owl, we can say configure, and you want to say link to, say, a URL, and then we say search for owls. We can take this link here, go back to our funnel, configure the page, change the URL to that giant link there. We can say open a new tab also, update, save the page. Alright, it's done. And let's look at our page. So now if we go down, click the owl. Okay, because we didn't publish a page, we have to open up in a new tab. And it brings us right to the owl page. So that's just a little bit. We took an existing template, changed it around a bit. You could also set up your email. I made a video of that previously. I'll put the link in the description. You can use MailChimp, which is free also, where you have people sign up and their emails will get sent to MailChimp and you can create a list of emails with MailChimp. It's free under a certain amount of emails. So when you get to like 500 and more, you'll have to start paying. But it's free to start if you want to check it out. So remember, the link is in my description below. And it'll bring you up to the GrooveFunnels page where you can sign up. And it is completely free. It's got a bunch of information here. So you can sell as many products as you want. So unlimited products to sell. You can build your brand website with full navigation. You can have a custom domain. Bandwidth and hosting is all included. You can sell products with one-click upsells. You can free upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Free the most powerful affiliate program. Powerful automated behavioral-based email marketing based on tagging, optional with GrooveMail. Okay, so that's if you get GrooveMail on top of that, where I said you can use MailChimp for free if you want, but I'm also waiting for the GrooveMail because it integrates right into the GroovePages, which should be great, hopefully. Membership site platform, optional with GrooveMember. Okay, these are optional sites. And then video marketing, which is optional, which is extra later. So to start now, though, with GroovePages, you just sign up, your name, email, and username, and it's completely free. No credit card. It says right here, no credit card needed, ever. And you're grandfathered into this program, and you'll never have to pay again. Free account for life. So like I said, I bought the full program, and I actually signed up my daughter for this program. That way she has a program she can use to create websites, and hopefully she can get into selling some products, affiliates. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.